Good morning, everybody. We have a pretty epic view happening behind us here, and it got me looking at the maps last night trying to figure out where we are in relation to everything else, and it turns out that just across the river on the other side is Victoria, Canada. We've probably put over 4,800 miles on this trip so far, and pretty exciting that we've made it this far north. I'm definitely going to be marking this campsite for future use. We're going to be getting packed up and we're going to get down this mountain, and we're going to go head in and explore Olympic National Park. Wow, that does feel like Switzerland, doesn't it?
It does.
Whew. That is one awesome view. So we are here in Olympic National Park, and this park has something special that none of the others that we've been to have. And it's that there are 4 completely different biomes. So there's the mountains, there's, what else do we have here? The temperate rainforest, the coast, and the lowland forest. We're currently in the mountains here, and we're gonna take a little hike and see what we see. But first, I think we need a little bit of food. Smoked garlic salmon. Haven't tried it, don't know if it's good, but we're about to find out. Looks pretty good. All right, so we got some food in us, and we're tackling the trail, or at least the path up to the trailhead, because the trail itself is actually jam-packed with cars in every single spot. So we had to park down the hill a little ways, and we're slowly making our way up the hill. That was an absolutely incredible hike. That is exactly like walking through the Swiss Alps. That is just absolutely crazy. You know, when the ranger told us that it was going to be like looking at the Swiss Alps, I honestly didn't buy it at first. I thought he was just kind of trying to sell us on something. But dang, he was right. It's just like the Swiss Alps. Not that I would know or been there, but maybe one day.
Just like the pictures.
Just like the pictures, right? So what's cooking?
Alfredo again.
Recycled recipes.
Yep. Ha! Never mind. It's too hot. Ow.
We are now in the lowland forest area here of the Olympic National Park, and there's a couple of trails we could go on, but we decided to go on one with an area called Ancient Groves. A fun little tidbit about this park is that it actually has the largest old-growth forest in the Pacific Northwest. So we figured we might stop and take a little trail and see what it's like. It is really dark out. We probably spent about 30-40 minutes looking for a camp spot. We finally found one, but it is really dark out here, and we're kind of tired from all the hiking we did today. But tomorrow we're going to continue exploring the 2 other biospheres we haven't even explored yet. I'm really looking forward to it, but I think right now we're both pretty tired. We're going to get some sleep. Good morning, guys. So this is the campsite we found last night. It's just the dead end of a logging road. Not a whole lot to it, but it worked really well for us. Well, we've made it to our 3rd biosphere, the beach. So we're here on Mora Beach. The weather here is a lot colder than it is in the mountains. In the mountains, it was very warm actually. It had to be in the 80s, and we were breaking a sweat hiking up there. Down here along the coast, it is way colder. We have so far explored 3 of the biospheres of this park. We have 1 left to go, the rainforest. So we're gonna go take a hike. Over the past 3 weeks, we have traveled over 5,000 miles. Our journey has taken us to some of the most amazing places the West has to offer. From the deserts of the Southwest, up along the coast of the Pacific Ocean, and deep into the Pacific Northwest. We've gone as far as the road can take us. With no more road to follow, it was finally time to change our heading.